Hi, I am going to explain how to do time delay operation of a double acting cylinder in a forward stroke by using AutoSIM software. Go to Simula, right click add Simula page, expand library, then expand Pneumatic, go to actuators, cylinders, select double acting cylinder, click open and place it. Right click button of a mouse, add to another object, go to directional wall 5x2, click on simple, click open and place it, double click on it, select pilot by symbol on both sides, select pilot symbol, click OK, add another object, go to directional wall 3x2, select simple, click open and place it and copy for another. Now double click on it, left side select roller and right side select spring, then click OK. Repeat the same for other. Click OK, add another object, go to directional wall 3x2, then small, click open, select push button and here also select push button, both side push button, add another object, go to timer, select time with positive output, click open and place it. Connect pilot valve output port to input of a double acting cylinder, left side to left side, right side to right side. Connect pilot valve left side input to timer output. Connect A minus roller valve output to timer input. Next, connect A plus roller valve output to pilot valve left side of input. Connect push button output to A minus roller valve input. Next, go to timer, connect here to here. Add another object, go to flow lines, select pressure source, open, connect to input of a pilot valve, copy, then roller A plus input and input to 3x2 DCV, another object, go to exhaust, place it, again here, for all the output exhaust you connect it. Add another object, go to draw, select text and place it, double click on it, type A minus here, click OK and A plus here, click OK and copy and drag it. This is A minus roller valve, this is A plus roller valve. Double click on double acting cylinder, assign this A minus to this mini symbol and here you assign A plus. Here you assign A plus. Then click OK. Then go to A minus roller wall. Assign this A minus here. A minus. Click OK. And assign this roller as A plus. Click OK. Now go to timer. To set the timer, set the time in milliseconds. 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. Now we set 10 seconds for completing each cycle. Click go and button. Time delay for 10 seconds to actuate the cylinder. The cycle is repeated for every 10 seconds of interval.